Paul, we're here in Sheffield at Arnold Wragg. What is it you do here?
Well, here in Sheffield, Arnold Wragg, we make or manufacture first-level safety-critical fasteners, predominantly for the aerospace industry, all to AS9100 standards.
Okay, and you've got a vast array of side and head layers, and I notice you've got new Filtermist units. Why is this?
Yeah, we have, Joe. We've got the Banker 5 Citizen sliding head behind us and some Trobes further up. These machines are becoming quite popular for our company and run some 16 hours a day. What we're finding, obviously, with the neat oil is that that's going up into the atmosphere, and because we've gone from 8 hours and added this extra shift on, it was time to make the environment be able to keep up with that demand as well.
And Filtermist, you know, there's other companies that offer similar units. What made you go for Filtermist?
Filtermist, we've had a look at a few before making the decision to commit. And from speaking with Filtermist, seem to have a very reasonable share of the market, which gives us some confidence. They offer the full package as well, so as well as tailor-making the units to our more mature machines that we've got there, retrofitting onto there. They also follow it up with a support package that goes with that as well. So we get the signature signed off once a year. We know that we're doing what our social responsibility, we're filling our social responsibility, and it's obviously it's better for our largest investment, which is our staff. We owe it to them to maintain a reasonable work environment.
And you've got the F monitor on the side. That's obviously some sort of visual aid.
It is. It works on a traffic light system on there. So the first maintenance is within 6 months. That's to gauge and calibrate them. After that, it go onto an annual. But I've got a little warning system on there that tells me if I need to give them a bell and we need some more support. Obviously, depending what we're cutting, we do a range of exotics. The mist that does come out, it does fluctuate. And with that, we've got a visual that we can keep an eye on and make sure everything's running as it should be.
And you're an AS9100 company. You have some big aerospace companies in here. Improvement on the atmosphere, the floor. That's going to help as well, isn't it, when your clients come round?
It does. You know, environment's a large part of the branding, and it's part of the service. So you want to be proud when you're showing your clients around, and they want to go away with a confident feeling too. And where I've had suppliers, my tooling reps and so on that have been in prior to the introduction of the Filtermist systems, they've noticed a difference and mentioned the difference, and that's always, it's nice. It's different when you're living it from day to day, but when someone pops in and they haven't been in for a while and they can notice a difference, it's positive to get that too.
So to conclude, it's a smarter, more healthy environment. You're looking after your staff. It sounds like an obvious one.
They're an investment. You know, we've got anywhere from long-serving gentlemen that have done 10, 15, 20 years with us, all to the new set of recruits from local colleges. 7 apprentices at the moment in here, and we want to keep them. And they spend a lot of time at the workplace, and the environment has to be fitting for them. So it's a win-win all round, really, Joe.